What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day, and I hope you guys had a great Cyber Monday, Black Friday so far. I hope you're really doing great, and I hope you had sales. I just want to come in and check in a little bit. I was busy the past maybe almost 2 weeks. I was just a little bit, busy with family stuff, and after that I was sourcing and stuff like that. So if you hear a cat behind me, it's actually this little cat. Look at it. This actually we went sourcing, and we bought a lot of things. When I mean a lot of things, I mean a lot of things. If you see them, let me just go ahead and show you guys. So. I hope you guys you go ahead and start hustling, because I haven't been doing any retail online arbitrage for a long time, for almost a year or something, since my private label really doing well, and that's what I did very well. I started with retail online arbitrage, wholesale, just to build a capital, but lately I've been in the mood and I wasn't feeling good, so this kind of therapy for me. I went and I started sourcing, and we bought a lot of things. This is one shipment. Actually, it's gonna go hopefully tomorrow. If you see here behind me, I have the boxes. I have everything ready to start with them. So these are all empty boxes, just for you to see. So I'm going to finish that today. Me and my lovely wife, the one who's helping me in everything. And we're gonna get it going. So as I was saying, this is one shipment. Last week we shipped another 10 or 11 boxes, the same way that I showed you, was 24 by 18 and 18. And the week before also we shipped the same thing. I shipped another 9 boxes of the same size. I think now is the best time for you guys to get all the deals from Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Today I got really lucky with a lot of products, a lot of prices. They were error prices. They weren't right. The prices were supposed to be Cyber Monday, but luckily I was able to snatch those deals still and ask for the same price, which is awesome. And also I bought 7 Xboxes and 2 PlayStations. They were in a great deal, and I know we'll make like at least 100, 150 each, and I paid 250 for each one of them. So let me show you these as well. So see, these are the PlayStations, few games, and all the Xboxes, and there's some Xboxes as well. But yeah, I spent a lot. Maybe we spent around, today I think almost we spent maybe $4,000, I believe, right, honey? It's around $4,000, something like that. I will, if you guys want to know the Toys R Us receipts, I still didn't count them, but around $4,000 US. And before that also was around $2,000 each shipment. So we're almost around, let's say, $9,000-$10,000 or $8,000-$10,000 worth of products. We're hoping to at least double up or get 50%. 50% return, which is, this is the lowest end, which is still going to be great return. I'm hoping to be able to sell most of them by the end of Christmas, or the first 2 weeks of January. I'll be able to finish all of them. So I hope we're really willing to, I hope we get that. So please go ahead, go hustle, go get your money, go ahead and source products, because that's the best things that you can do right now to make money. If you're low on cash, or if you really want to just make extra cash, go ahead and do it. And this one is the most annoying toy you will ever buy, because it doesn't shut up. It doesn't shut up. All of them, they go at the same time. Look at that. All of them, they go at the same time. It's crazy. Last year or the year before, I bought like almost 20 of them. They came in a big box from Toys R Us, and the guy who delivered them, he was like, what's in there, man? These things, they drove me crazy the whole day, and I had to drop them first. But hey, as long as we can make money, as long as we can make it happen, whatever you guys can do, whatever you can, whatever your budget is, low, high, medium, do something, do something. Having the money in the bank is not going to do nothing for you. If you cannot double it, if you cannot make them like your soldiers to go out there and make you more money, they're just sitting money in the bank with no returns, with nothing coming from it. So it's not the right thing to do. Worst case scenario, I'm talking about the worst, at least I get my money back. All this stuff are all well-known brands that that people know very well. They get a sell, they have their own listing, they have their own BSR, which is really awesome. And the biggest hit for today, I'm switching a little bit because I'm very excited. These things, guys, these are the Pokemon, whatever they are, Shartuzu, whatever his name, Charizard, sorry, Charizard Xbox or something. You guys may be making fun of me, but the deals on them, if you can get your hand on them, I get them for $15.17, and they're selling for $44.95. So far today, I sold 8 of them so far just by doing that, just by these. So I bought almost everything that I can get my hands on. And I'm talking every Toys R Us. I went from 10 o'clock in the morning. I just get back home like an hour, 2 hours ago. We had supper and then I came. So guys, keep hustling. It's not easy, but if you put your heads into it, you have the right system, you have the right apps, you have the right you know if you know how to know the season, if you know what kind of products, what the BSR is, and you know the history from reaching Keepa or Camel, you will be able to make it very easy. Very easy if you know the data, if you know the formula for it, which is very simple formula. Don't let people fool you and tell you, oh my God, let me tell you my secret. There's no secret. There's no secret into it. All we need, very hard work, some grease in your elbows. I guess that's how they say it. But keep going, guys, and do it. So I hope you guys get a little bit of motivation, or a little bit of those who are really struggling, those who are, hey, I'm not making money, I don't know with my Christmas is almost here, blah blah blah. Go ahead and do this. Is the best time for you to get hooked. As soon as you get one sale on Amazon, you're hooked. Whether retail, online arbitrage, whether wholesale, whether private label, and you will be your thing. So I know a lot of you, maybe they do very well, they do millions of dollars, or maybe they do 1 million or make thousands of dollars with retail online arbitrage only, but I have done my share of it. I've done a lot of it, and I still go back to it. It's knowledge that you will never lose. Anyways, I don't want to make that too long, but I hope you guys are having a beautiful and wonderful evening, and I'm gonna get back and start little bit labeling those things and get them in. So take care, and I will see you soon. And tomorrow it's another great video also coming your way, how to liquidate your product. So like this, you'll be happy too. So thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Take care, guys.